morning. So today I'm going to introduce you to my French Cleat System. I'm only 2 rungs up in the minute, but I'm hoping to build a wee box for keeping my pocket joiner bigger. As you build your holder, you put a wee scrap of wood on the back of a 45-degree angle. On the board is other wee strips with 45 cut on it, and I'll just sit down in. It's easy as that. So let's get on with it. First up, I tried a few layouts on a piece of ply. Whenever I found the one I want, I marked it, the size. I then done a bottom, 2 sides, a back, and then dividers. I cut a strip of 3/4 inch ply with a 45-degree angle on one edge. I then glued and nailed this to the back of the holder. This would then work as the cleat to hang it on the wall. Spot on. I then glued and nailed the back to the base. I used the vise to grip the base just to give me an extra hand and to hold it steady whilst I nailed. Next it was time to put the sides on. Again, these would be glued and nailed on. Next came the fiddly bit, putting the wee dividers in as I call them. This would cause like a wee pocket for keeping the jig itself in. These would be attached using glue alone. Just a wee check of the jig, make sure it fits before I clamp everything in. Then just leave it overnight till the glue dries. And there we have it, a jig holder with a cleat system where it could be hung anywhere on the wall. The advantage of this is take it down whenever you're working, put it away, whatever bits and pieces you need, put it on there, and whenever you're done, you can just hang it up. Because it's on the French cleat, you can move these about any way you like. Sorted. Thumbs up.